Okay, I'm in Livoni for the first time. This is River Dubna, making a huge noise. And I'm traveling further to Dagda, a city very close to Belarus. And I'm gonna explore the eastern region of Latvia a bit more. And that's it, that's the end of Livoni. This town ends here. And I'm going further into unknown on the road where I have never been before. And this is like the main square, probably. The main crossroad of Brady. Well, it's actually a bit bigger than I thought. It's still going. Where is the end of Brady? Okay, I'm approaching Dagda. Well, I have to find a big church there. That's where I'm meeting with my mate who is hanging out here. Okay, I have reached Dagda, a small town next to Dagda Lake. I'll be staying in the area for 2 days and exploring neighborhoods, going to another towns. And since there are so many abandoned buildings in the area, I will definitely be exploring some abandoned houses too. Okay, we have found some abandoned place here in Latgale. It's definitely abandoned. Let's see what we can find here. The grass is very long here. This weather is perfect for exploring abandoned places like this. The nettles, very pleasant for your skin. This is an old wooden building. This is the first abandoned house we saw, but I'm sure we'll see more. Yeah, this is a perfect holiday spot. You can just come here and relax, have a romantic time here. Okay, another abandoned house, looks like. Or maybe there's a key on the doors. Maybe some point someone is living here, who knows. This house is definitely abandoned because it's not possible to live inside here. So this abandoned house hidden behind the trees. It's full of mosquitoes here. They're eating me alive. Let's see if we can walk somewhere on the other side. This used to be a cellar, apparently. Number 3 or 4, but the third one which we enter. It's grown into trees and long grass, and there's a half collapsed barn as well. Well, let's see how it looks like from the inside. Well, this looks pretty fresh for an abandoned house like this. The view from the window is quite nice here. Oh, there's a butterfly. So this is very interesting. This is a living quarters, and then there's a space for pigs or something, or goats or whatever. So basically when you cook, they hear you and say, hey, give me food as well. We can hear you in the kitchen. Okay, it's time to get out here and go to the town where I've never been, as it's almost here. We have arrived in Ludza, which is over 850 years old. It's the oldest city in Latvia. It's first mentioned in 1177. And the capital Riga is just 825 years old, officially founded in 1201. So Ludza is older than the capital. We are arriving in the city center. We plan to visit the castle ruins and the cathedral that we can see in the distance behind the church. The streets are written in Latgalian language, which is widely used in eastern Latvia. So these are Ludza castle ruins, which are built in 1399 by the Livonian order. So this is the center of Ludza. Has some flowers, and we have another church. On the way back we're stopping near Razdan Lake, which is one of the biggest in Latvia. And now we are back in Dagda area. This house is actually quite close to the place where I'm staying, so we're checking this out too. Well, the typical views of an abandoned house. Ceiling falling in. The whole section of roof, whole section of attic falling in. Well, there's still a bed. Some posters. Yeah, so just some years ago someone was living here. It's day number 2 in Dagda. We're driving around Dagda and checking out the center of the city. We are driving out of Dagda for a bit to see what's there. So the second day in Latgale, and just a little ride away from Dagda there's another abandoned house. We're gonna go check it out. There's a potato field here. Also taking a closer look to Dagda Lake from the other side, you can see the city of Dagda in distance. This is the area where I'm staying. It's a pretty nice countryside. There are forests and lakes surrounding the area. We have arrived in a very unique place, a lake with the most islands, not just in Latvia, but in the whole Baltics. It has from 33 to 36 permanent islands. It's an early morning and I'm starting my journey back to Riga. But before that I'm stopping in a scenic village. It's actually the holiest site of Catholic Church and many pilgrims come here. The number of people attending the annual Aglona pilgrimage ranges from 17,000 to over 300,000, depending on the specific day. All this square is pretty much full of people when they come. Thank you for watching and see you next time.